Chicken makhni handi. One kilogram of chicken. 2 onion paste. 10-15 cashew nuts paste. Half cup of curd. 2 teaspoons of fresh cream. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Salt as per taste. 5-6 dry red chilies. 6-8 green cardamom. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. And 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. 1 diced tomato, capsicum, 3-4 green chilies, and 1 inch of julienne cut ginger. Here pan and add dry spices. Roast them on medium flame. Transfer roasted spices in a jar and grind coarsely. Masala powder is ready. Heat kadai and add 2-3 teaspoons of oil. Add onion paste. Cook for 3-5 minutes. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix and cook. Cook on medium flame. Add salt. Give a mix. Add chicken pieces. Give a nice mix. Cook for 2-3 minutes. Add roasted masala powder. Mix masala powder nicely with chicken and cook. Add curd. Mix it well. Cover and cook for 10 minutes. Gently mix and cook. Add cashew nut paste. Add fresh cream. Mix them well. Add half cup of water. Cover and cook for more 8-10 minutes. Chicken is cooked well. For tempering, heat pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Add green chilies, diced tomato, capsicum, and julienne cut ginger. Fry for 2-3 minutes. Add tempering. Gently mix. chicken makhni handi is done, turn off flame. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Tasty and delicious chicken makhni handi is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Do try this yummy and delicious recipe in Ramzan. Thanks for watching.